Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
I found the dehydrator jerky to be drier and more rigid, but still tender after you bit into the meat. I did not find the smokiness of the smoked meat, a natural assumption because it was not smoked. In the end, I like the smoky flavor and the tender chewy texture of the smoked jerky, so that method is my winner.
Take our lead.
A dehydrator helps keep quality, healthy food at the center of your diet. Not only that, but a dehydrator helps extend the healthy food you have today into your future, since it allows you to preserve good food now for later. Make sure you check out our list of recipes.
Take our lead.
Best smoker for making jerky for 2020. Masterbuilt 20070910 electric digital smoker. Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker Smoker. Char-Broil American Gourmet Deluxe Offset Smoker. Masterbuilt 20071117 digital electric smoker. Bradley Smoker BTD S76P electric digital smoker. Camp Chef DLX Smoke Pro pellet grill.
Take our lead.
Bring the temperature up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and add a handful of wood chips to the smoker. If the smoke is a heavy white, increase the temperature of the smoker. This white smoke can give the meat a bitter taste and ruin the jerky. Lower the temperature back to 160 degrees Fahrenheit and do not add any more wood chips.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.